You did a drink today? I drink in the beach,
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Subscribe if for your first time over here, so you wanna know the drill. So make we kick it off the realest way. Yeah, that brother here, we come from Mandeville, I swear. Or the next Dodo or whatever the case might be. Him tell Andrew go see Mada start.
You start it? Yeah. Sucker, bumbo clock, Andrew Holness, me. Name Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man, in Pussy Wull. Come to me now. You're a real waste, man, yo. Batty boy, Andrew. Oh, suck your mother. How are you, man?
Go 8 o'clock curfew.
8 o'clock. After man plan to blood clot, Marco Polo, you come boy, yeah. Hey, boy, go.
You did a drink today? I drink in the beach,
Your father, and you don't know all of the clippings I just share at the before. So may I share the after video now, Jaja father.
The Prime Minister Andrew Holness said, "Me sorry, me ever make that utterance."
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
No, man, go better than that, man. Go see him like when you go into your call him and that man and so forth.
I'm really sorry for the indecent language. I'm sorry for whatever I said in the video, all those bad things. I'm sorry about it.
So the police,
I'm sorry to the police force. I'm sorry to the
Boy, I just threw him, call him person name still, you see me. But you see, if him would say SM Mada and somebody just tag him in it, I swear it wouldn't bother him, you see me. It would look so much of a big deal. But cause people get SM Mada regular, I don't know what the big deal is. Freedom of speech, people then fed up. Yes, yeah, so you don't know that no things are going. On the other end, people, you don't know Dovey Magnum of a sex tape that is to be leaked. But you don't know she are going to watch her. I'm going to watch her video and see for yourself.
Me don't understand. Me don't know why. Why sometimes you even like look for the comment them, but sometimes you have to answer the comment them. Cause me don't understand why she got text boy the man now, boss back me. Me, my girl, me been a slow leak. Me been a slow leak. Me don't need nobody for boss me.
Hold on then.
They say ice boss me the other day, I'ma come out melting. Mamba clot, don't know. Yo, I not tell don't lie though. I love where all I do not sing. Trouble me want some food. I come out Atlanta the other day, but I couldn't come out there.
Hey, but house arrest?
Eh?
What the fuck you ask over my own?
No, I'm not about house arrest. Remember I said you...
Hey, could come out.
Because I not get better good.
Oh.
And brand new get better good. Hold on. Where's you get better good?
No, because I got jail the other day. I got jail the other day for my back and lay down. You go like it easy to get up.
Hold on. You say you get better good?
Meaning me still in a pain.
No, because you do your body.
No, me just suck out my belly. Me just dash away the belly.
I want to sit down because a long time she talk about this body here.
Me just dash out the belly, that's it. Me don't know why people are make this big excitement. When me never see that bad, me just did need the belly to move from right way there.
Need to sit
that's
this
all.
body.
I like a burn, I beat my bad. Me get to a life a burn. Bad. No worry yourself. Me I come outside. When me say when me I drop my picture of them, I'm a porn movie. Yeah, because my boy threatened me. Yeah, because alright, what happened is I had an iPhone 11 Plus. I was fucking this man December and I left him January. He's trying to set me up. Him and his family, they've been building fake pages and sending me sucking dick and one bag and squirting and one bag of something I want. So them threatening me. So them I got drop it and one bag of something. So me, me just put it together and make a nice little movie. So if them drop the first video, me just drop the movie, you see me? So me just I stay up and point, you see?
Yeah, that at least I suck the dick good in a picture.
And I look damn good.
Why they make a OnlyFans and sell it for about $5 bills? Here, send me a video, I'm going to do it. Come on, piece of the money there, you know.
You understand me? I'm not afraid that no boy can threaten me because he's not a man. And then you have your family, them are threatening me. And under me, they look nice and clean.
Just wax.
Creaming. And any him drop that, man, I ask Christ. He didn't even understand what I do to me.
Yeah.
And then friend go at me.
So like you want him drop it?
No, because sometimes when them go some buck after you, you have to just go like, yeah, come with it. Come in afraid.
But no, you're not afraid, Mama.
I'm not afraid.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, remember the
no
first
fear
time
in my game. No boy can't threaten me with no fake page. And I'll send me back my video them like me don't know what me did I do in it. Like that don't make no sense.
Yeah, man, the mama, man.
You make video of them thing that Dovey.
One thing I'm afraid of, when I video them, I know him. And it nah go normal because I know the boy I feel bad for. I'm baby mother, she could have dropped down.
Oh, Jesus.
And the only thing that me I gonna feel bad for.
Yo, Dovey, you know why I feel like the man want to drop the video? The man want to drop the video because he'd fuck the next man better, you know?
No, I know that, you know.
And that man, he watch the two video, the man and say, no, man, no, Dovey give that man the fuck you.
Oh, yo, for a big man thing though, any man expose female about
yeah, we yes man them.
Exactly. That's what the fucking mean.
Man,
him
them.
and everybody were over there around them circle waist man. But watch this now. You see the only reason why I'm gonna make sure I call Mr. Amanda, I make him know so listen. Remember the time when I made a look out about you all, it up on the video.
Brother, what a bumbo clock this dog?
That was a team, boy.
Yeah, circle. Show me circle.
Oh, yeah, Rasta.
Where's that boy?
When I say no, state it better, but make him know so listen. The things that would go on with or whatever, it may can come outside. So if you're inside and here say outside, just yeah. I'm not afraid. I just feel bad for you, baby, but I don't judge.
Those a long time top freak, calm down all from all these years.
But I don't like one can freak everybody, but the boy, me I tell you something, give the boy half a million dog.
I make us a ball out.
No, I never. He make me say ball out. I make me say toxic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I just like and say it, but I'm not afraid when time nobody threaten me, so I just say it because I see one fake page put it up. And then I try to follow back people. Feed expose and I just go and watch it, then block me. So I just go and watch.
Go and check my DM, because I get every video up in my DM, so I'm going to check my DM, because...
Right, so that's
I just go and watch. I'm not afraid. It's just that, right. Remember say, my name never say, like I said, the other man be Mada, and then, I say, I don't mind my songs, them and what they do, but no video out there, because, I have a son and shit, but it is what it is. I'm a gangster. I'm not afraid of them, though, JR. I'm not afraid of them boy there.
But no say a bad girl, man. I am some man dog.
I'm not afraid of video because big man thing, I stay good. I stay good at one thing. Because you see the person, oh God, you see if that the person that get exposed, enough things are going to go on. And I just that alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
But don't be afraid to expect the man must hate you be. After you got new body and I give man none of that.
No, but me and him been jump off from before body and all of that. You see me I try to show you.
Now the man that me tell you now the man vex. Cause remember him can't say him get no.
But body not change nothing at all. After me never do run to my pussy and then sitting there nothing do my throat and all.
Yo, when Dovey have to understand how man pre, when time you get a girl and she go do up on them thing there. And you can't fuck it back. You got your feelings, cause I know she a hot girl. Know the thing.
Come on, long time.
And yeah, I know that, Dovey, but me I show you say, yo, the man I say, eh. I bet if you run back peace pan him, delete the video.
I'm gonna rate boy we do them sitting.
I bet if you run back peace pan him, delete them video.
I think me can't fuck
but not give him back none, cause mama man, him no fear threaten you with them.
Yeah. Big threat now, me know where the fake page them come from all of that. But like I tell them this morning, the last one I write me and send one of the video, and the video them send was with me and the other man. I said, do what you want to do. Because I know I have it. I one phone that I have, I know everything I do, because boy no video me and me video me. So I know. You see me? But I'm not afraid. And my fans, they will cheer for me because I say blood cleat, don't go hard. I'm going to cheer for myself. Yep. Yep. But like a situation like this now, how me deal with it now as a female or as an artist or whatever, how you deal with this situation though?
I feel just go and live your life. That video then I stop it. I just get people for talk.
Exactly.
At the end, right?
Any publicity, good publicity.
As my sister say, nothing wrong with that than your sister. So if they want to leak, when them leak to the do, come and send, you know, I show where I go and them I say, well, nothing wrong, you go with yourself to a girl, but Ray, you see me? I go on hard and try to go on, you see?
Nobody tell me about no.
Dovey, remember Entourage shine, you don't scare him already, you know.
Entourage ball out, ever send him the video there. What?
I don't even tell you about nobody tell him.
Why am I not telling no I do? I'm a little bit nervous, but I feel good now that I talk and out there.
Yo, the number one thing in our life, if you're willing for do whatever you do.
And then put up on one page already.
Just make sure you're proud of the way you do.
Page.
Yo, Chubby, hold on.
I video on one page.
Chubby, 1 second, brother.
And I try to follow like all of the top people them, or like the people them. Mm-hmm. You know, like when me, you understand what I say? But them not familiar with all like food, no thing, no, you know, which me not say, then can't get to the name them. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
When I go over to them, I follow like 46 people. And when I look at me, say, couple I'm familiar with, but look like them names still are going in.
This is crazy.
Yes, I mean alone did that suck.
Well, you don't know it though. You can't worry about them things there, you see me? By the way, if them leak that, you can always take legal actions.